What's good, YouTube family? It's your girl Safi and I'm back with another video. Guys, if you're watching this video right now and you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead. Don't start with nothing else yet. Go ahead, click that subscribe button and be a member of this family. And turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Every time we drop a banger video, you're supposed to get that notification. And if you're a regular watcher, big up on yourself and thank you for always supporting this channel. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna remove all that fat from off the chicken. So guys, don't rush, just spend the time and clean out the fat properly, because a lot of people tend to leave a lot of fat into the chicken back, and when you're cooking it, that tends to release a lot of oil. So please spend the time, clean it out properly. Now we're gonna chop this up, guys, and we're gonna rinse it with some vinegar and get it ready for seasoning. Now look at that, guys. So we're gonna be adding some Maggi chicken seasoning and some Maggi all-purpose. You can add whatever powdered seasoning of your choice, or you can add salt and pepper if that's what you use. So now we're gonna pick the ackee and boil it off in some salt water. So you wanna cook the ackee right through, and then we're gonna give this a strain and put it one side. Now you wanna get your pot really hot and add a little bit of oil. Then we're gonna place our chicken in that, and we're gonna be cooking the chicken until it's really crispy and brown. Now while I have the chicken browning up, here I have a cover on it just to allow that steam to work in and allow the meat to sweat. Along with that, I'm going to be adding some garlic, some onion, some thyme, some scallion, some scotch bonnet pepper, and some diced tomatoes. Now while preparing this, guys, feel free to add a little bit of water to prevent the meat from sticking into the pot. Now when your chicken is cooked or fully cooked through, we're gonna re-season the pot with some scallion, and you can add some sweet pepper, some pepper. You can add more onions if you wish, but I'm just adding scallion, a little bit more scotch bonnet pepper to my taste, as well as some fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the ackee and some fresh thyme and some tomatoes, like I said. And this is basically the entire preparation, guys. So all you have to do is just allow the ackee to reheat with the chicken and allow your seasonings to really just sweat in that. And there you have it, ackee and chicken back. It's as simple as that. So you just re-season to your taste. Add a little bit of spice if you wish, and here's your lovely Jamaican ackee and chicken back.